Okay. The hard part about analytics consulting is you got to know so many packages nowadays, right? Because there's some really, really good analytics packages out there now, right? You got to know Power BI, you got to know Tableau, you got to know MicroStrategy. In some cases, you have to know how to do your own dashboards, right? Like just you just learn a visualization framework, and then you got to come up with your own dashboards and your own way to present all of those components, right? So it really depends. It really depends. Also, it's very hard to do analytics consulting as an individual, I think. Like if I was an individual, I think analytics consulting would be like one of the last ones that I would choose. Because you'd have to like the thing about analytics consulting, Kunal, is that like you have to show that you're bringing something really special to the client, right? Because the thing is that all clients think they can do analytics and they all think they can do it well, right? Whether they suck at it or not, who cares? But they all think that they're really good at it. So that's the problem you're going to run into, where like people are going to say, well, you have to show me that you're bringing 10x the value because I got 5 guys that on my analytics team already, right? So I don't want to sound discouraging to you, but that's the part that would kind of make me hesitate. Like you would need to be able to walk in and say, I can cover every single analytics platform you're using. I've got 3 people that are just absolutely killers when it comes to analytics, and I can deliver for you in 2 weeks. Like that's what a client's going to have to hear from you before, like if they don't hear that from you, they're going to say, nah, we're just going to give it to the summer intern who kind of sort of knows Power BI, because they think like that's what analytics is, right? So that's what I would think,